Find yourself in a one comfortable spot as you rise up for this brand new day. Like the sun that always come back for shine, feel yourself awaken, present in your body. When you're ready, gently close your eyes, like how the night sky wrap up the stars in stillness. Turn your awareness inside, like the river finding its way back to the sea. Tune into how your body feels after waking. Easy and natural. Just like the coconut tree standing in the breeze. Breathe soft and steady, like the wind whispering through the bamboo them. Take a moment and ask yourself, how am I really feel? What sweet sensations my body showing me today? If you feel any little thing nice, maybe warmth, maybe lightness, give thanks same way. As when your heart full with gratitude, blessings can't done. Take a deep breath now. Belly and chest rise up like the sail on a fishing boat, catching the morning breeze. Hold it there. Maybe sip in one little more here. Then let it out nice and slow. Like how the sea breathe out on the shore. Do that 2 more times, feeling yourself settle down deep. Like the roots of the mighty sycamore tree. Know say your spirit's solid, your foundation strong. After the last big breath, let your breathing come back natural. Like the river that never rush, but always reach where it have to go. Stay present. Stay connected. Feel the stillness wrap round you like Granny Nanny wisdom. Now, utter these blessings. Feel them deep in your soul. The I give thanks for another day. My life is a gift, and I treasure this moment. My spirit full up with joy and appreciation. I walk in truth and me embrace my whole self. Me dey home in my own skin, solid like the rock stone. Me open my heart to the highest good. May my steps align with purpose and love. Take one more deep breath, draw in all the good vibes. Hold it, feel it, then exhale. Release anything you need, just like how the old breeze make way feeling new. When you're ready, start move again. Roll your shoulders like how the waves rock the boat. Wiggle your fingers and toes like the leaves dancing in the wind. Then nice and easy, open your eyes and see the beauty of the world around you. Step out strong, step out blessed, with love in your heart and the fire of your ancestors guiding your way. Breathe easy, my brethren. This is the time for you to sit down, calm your spirit, and reconnect with yourself. Find a little spot where comfy. Sit down good, back straight like a bamboo in the hills. Draw back your shoulders, open up your heart like the sunrise over the blue mountains. Rest your hand them on your lap, palms down. Feeling the weight of your ancestors watching over you. Close your eyes, soft, soft, like when the breeze kiss the sea. Take a deep breath in. Feel it swell your belly like the tides. And let it out nice and easy. Like the river flow down to the sea. Watch your breath like Anansi watch him wed. Steady, patient. Knowing every movement have a meaning. If your mind start run up and down like a little picnic in the yard, don't worry about that. Thoughts are gonna come and go like the waves on the shore. Just make them pass, no hold on pan nothing. Just focus on the breath. Feel how the life force move through you. Same way the wind moves through the coconut tree then. You don't have to force it. Just trust the rhythm. Trust the process. This a moment belong to you. Like the stars belong to the sky. When you're ready, start wiggle your fingers and your toe them. Roll your shoulders and whisper a little, give thanks to the peace where you just find. Take your time. Open your eyes them slow. Bring forward this calm with you. Move like old time people say. 1 cocoa, full basket. Get comfortable and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slow. Feel your body ease up, your mind settle, and your spirit open up like the dawning sun. Breathe in through your nose. Feel the air bless your body. As you exhale, release all doubt and fear of not having enough. You tune into the natural flow of blessings. Inhale and receive. Exhale and let go. Picture a big mighty river flowing without end, bringing life and nourishment to everything it touches. This river is prosperity, always moving, always giving. But we've been tricked to believe, say, we have to hold back, build up walls, keep things to ourselves. But real riches don't work so, them have to circulate. See the chains of limitations in front of you. The lies say you have a struggle. Say wealth only belongs to the chosen few. Now watch them chains melt away. Feel your spirit get light you're free. Feel yourself open up to the movements of life. Cause when we give, we no lose, we multiply. When we receive, we no take. We embrace what is always there for we. Breathe in gratitude, breathe out generosity. This are the sacred balance of life. Breathe in, slow and deep. Feel the air full your lungs. And when you breathe out, let go all of the tension we weigh down. More you listen keenly now. Stop replay the sad moments in your life. You see, every time you do that, your mind and your body flood with stress. Just like when rainstorm mash up the river and it overflow. You see, the same way too much water can drown the land. Too much stress can drown your peace. You know, sister, when a fisherman drop him net and catch no fish, him no usually keep the bad fish them. Him sort out the good from the bad and dash where when I serve him. I saw you could deal with your mind. Stop hold on upon the pain. I better you focus on thoughts will give you strength and healing. Take a deep breath. Feel how the air move through your body like a sea breeze upon the early morning. The past done, it can't change. But your future, start build new. Acquire some powerful knowledge. Focus your heavens upon some positive thoughts. You see, like how farmer plants seed and water it every day till it turn big strong tree. And so you have to nurture your peace and joy. Exhale all of the pain. Make space for love and tranquility. Your spirit strong, your heart full of resilience. A time now for you to move forward with lightness, with clarity, with peace. Feel the warmth of the sun upon your skin. Like the universe, I remind you say you're blessed. Every sunrise bring new beginnings, and every sunset wash away the weight of yesterday. Trust the rhythm of life. Same way how the tides move in and out. No say, change a part of the journey. Give thanks for the small joys, the laughter, a friend, the scent of the rain upon dry dirt, the sweet sound of music will uplift your spirit. Hold them moments they close, cause at them I build the foundation for true happiness. Know what the storm will pass, but the rainbow will follow. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, step forward with confidence. This your journey, I feel, and every breath bring you closer to the peace you deserve.